Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. So first of all, open Gmail. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right corner, tap onto profile icon. Click on Google account. Select security option. Scroll down. Click on to manage all device. And now shown here your all login devices. Select a device. And finally click on to sign out. Then successfully remove your Gmail account from another device. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.